Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Let's dive into this simple mathematics equation. This equation involves roots and we have to use so many laws of indices to solve this problem. So what we do is a solution. We write x root x equals to 64. In law of indices, we have, whenever we have root a, is the same thing as a raised to the power of half if we express root with power. Then if we apply this, we are having x times x raised to the power of half equals to 64. And we have another law of indices that states that when we have a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. And if we apply that to this, we change to x raised to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 equals 64. Then when we add up the power, we are having 1 plus 1 over 2. This is over 1. Then we make the denominator to be equal, meaning this will be times 2 and this will be times 2. And when we do that, we are having 1 times 2 gives us 2 all over 2 plus 1 all over 2. If the denominators are equal, we pick one denominator and add the numerators, which is 2 plus 1, which gives us 3. So here we are having x raised to the power of 3 all over 2 equals to 64. Then how can we make x to stand on its own? What we do, we multiply both sides by the inverse of the power, which is x raised to the power of 3 over 2 all times raised to the power of 2 over 3 equals to 64 raised to the power of 2 all over 3. 3 we cancel 3, 2 we cancel 2, left with x equals to 64 raised to the power of 2 all over 3. And we have another law of indices that say that whenever you have a raised to the power of n all over m is the same thing as the mth root of a all raised to the power of n. And if we apply this to this, we are having x equals to the cube root of 64 all raised to the power of 2. If we continue, the cube root of 64 means that small number that you can multiply 3 times to give you 64, and that number is 4. 4 times 4 gives you 16, and 16 times 4 gives you 64. So this is 4 raised to the power of 2. X equals to 4 raised to the power of 2 means 4 times 4, which is 16. This is the final answer. Then we go back to the question and see the best option for it. The best option is B as the answer. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.